Hello YouTube. Today we'll learn about HTML coding. So first of all, you need to download some tools for this. The first tool will be the text editing software or application, and the second tool will be your web browser. So I have chosen Text Wrangler for this tutorial. Just download Text Wrangler from any of its sites, or you can even make a Google search for Text Wrangler downloads. Go to Text Wrangler, create a new file. It's a text document, and you can name the document. So you can save the document as a name. I'll give it tutorial first to be more systematic. Tutorial first, and remember to make the extension HTML. You can save it to desktop if you wish. You can save it to the desktop. Where's the desktop? Right. Desktop. So you save it the file, and then we're ready to go. So let's start the tutorial. So we'll learn many things here. The thing we are trying to learn is client-side development, to which we know as website development or website design. So there are three tools of designs a website. The first one is an HTML tool, which equals to hypertext markup language. The second one is CSS, which stands for cascading style sheets. And the third one is JavaScript, which gives functionality to the web page. For example, we are moving to any site, vodafone.com.au. So all the texts are due to the HTML codes like shop, my Vodafone, support, search, images are all because of the HTML. The colors, red color, white color, the background is white, and you can see the buttons are different colors. These are done by the CSS coding, and the search button, you can calculate the plans, and all those things are done by JavaScript. So let's move back to the tutorial. So this file is saved in the desktop, so we can view it anytime we wish. Just need to cut it, save the file, and yeah, it's here, tutorial.html. It's empty. For right now it's empty, so we have to fill up it with some codes. So let's do this. The first thing to do will be open the file with any text editing software. We are doing it in Text Wrangler, and then start the coding. The first thing to know will be the HTML tags. So what is a tag? So what is a tag? A tag is a bunch of data, of similar data. In HTML, the tags are represented by the opening and closing of the angular brackets in between the name of the tag. And the closing tag is represented by the backslash and the name of the tag with the angular brackets. So in every HTML code, always try to remember that HTML opens and HTML closes. It helps to determine the computer and the code reader that the code or the script written in between these things is an HTML document. So after that, as we saw in this thing on vodafone.com.au, there are different divisions, there are different sections of this website. The first section comes up here: mobile phones, tablets, and mobile broadband, Vodafone Australia. So all the things above this, all the things above this line will be in the head. This is the head of the website, and below everything comes in the body of the website. It's all in the body of the website. So what a basic HTML format includes is, the first thing is the head tag, and the other thing is the body tag. So remember one another thing, that if any tag is open, then this tag must be closed as well. So what we need to do here is, the head tag is open, close the head tag, and you know how to close the tag: a backslash and the name of the tag. So now we can close the body tag. It's pretty easy, slash body. So I've created a basic format for writing the code. Now we can write any code in between this. For example, I'm giving you the head tag. What comes in the head tag? Title of the website. So let's do a title of the website. It's very simple. Just add a title tag, and as I said earlier, you have to close any tag that's open. The title tag is closed, and in between this, all the sentence becomes the title of the website. For this, I'll write this: my first webpage. Simple. If you save this and then you are running this application, then it seems like my first web page. This is the title of the website. It's a very simple process. Now, head consists of the title. For now, it's all enough for the head. Now we'll move on the body tag. So let's see what are the parts and components of the body tag. There are different headings: personal, business, and you can see some latest, my Vodafone. All are headings. And the paragraphs: latest mobile phones and offers. Scroll throughout. This is a heading. This is a paragraph. And these are the divisions. You can see one division is over here, another division is over here. It's very simple. So let's move over there and write something like heading. The heading tag is not a heading tag. This is not a valid tag. So it's just H. If you have H1 is a top heading, the biggest heading, and hello world. So every tag that's open must be closed. The formula applies here as well. It's closed. Select the file in the Safari. Just refresh the page. Hello world, the biggest. So why H1? Why not H2? Let's try the H2. H2 and hello. Every tag that is open must be closed. Refresh the page. Hello. Compare the size of the H and the H. It's pretty much smaller than the H before. So what if I write H3? This still works. hell. This time I'm writing hell. And close the tag of H3. Save the file. Refresh the page. Hell, the size is rapidly decreasing. Now what if I write H4 over here? H4. He. Close the H4 tag. Save the file. Refresh the page. The one thing is a heading. This is a heading. This is a heading as well. This is a heading as well. This is a heading as well. How would we know that this is a heading, even though it's so small? Because it is bold. How should we write a paragraph in this heading? You don't have any tag that's called paragraph. This is not a valid tag. If you want to write like paragraph, it's not valid every time. It's still P. You can write P1, P2, P3, anything. It doesn't work in the size of the fonts inside the tag. Just H1 does. If you write P and write this is the game of decreasing letters in a word, and close the p tag once it's done. Save it, refresh it. This is not a bold. You can see this is not a word bold because this is just the paragraph. So you have different others kind of tags in HTML programming. This is the first tutorial for HTML. Later on we go on CSS, then JavaScript. So just try to do this, try to play with these codes, like you can change the title, you can try different kinds of headings, or you can do what kind of heading would you like. This can be taken as a heading, subheading, 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 and the paragraph of the subheading. So yeah, just try to remember that you always have to save the document every time you run the file. If you are using Windows PC, then and you are trying to use some applications like for example text edit, then just try to remember you cannot directly make HTML code over here. In my condition I think it does, but you have to make plain text. Before it used to be like this. Before when you open the text edit it will be like this. So what you have to do is to go in a format and make plain text and write the code here, and always try to remember that while saving the file you have to save the file with the extension .html. And another thing you need to understand will be whenever you write the codes, then you must close the tags that's opened after the work has been done, after letters or sentence has been written inside the codes. So this is the first tutorial, a bit about HTML and the basics of HTML. We'll move on more depth of HTML in the next few tutorials. After the HTML will be leading to a CSS and JavaScript, which makes us strong enough to create our own websites and make it more dynamic, make it more strong. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.